Hello, my name is Lori Pinales, and today we're going to see the American J and the sounds. Let's begin. The T, it's a combination of the T and sh. It is an unvoiced sound. Some examples: church, lunch. Okay, the at the beginning of a word is pronounced with a loud R stream. Hold, happy, house. Did you hear the airstream? The American D is a voiced sound. Some examples: juice, algebra, Japan. Now let's see the all sound. For the all sound, the mouth should be open and the jaw should be down. Also, the tongue should rise and push behind the top teeth. Furthermore, this sound is produced by dropping and relaxing our tongue. Let's see some examples: lobby, lift, color, alive. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.